student, how are you? I hope you all are well at home and enjoying the study. So student, today we will revise the chapter 4 and also the chapter 3 because today is your test of chapter 4, the return of the lion, and the chapter 3, my elder brother. So student, firstly let's see the revision of the chapter 4, the return of the lion. So student, as you know that in this chapter the scene starts from a room of a Rajghat, from a room in the fort of Rajghat near Pune. And then the Jijabai, Shivaji's mother, sitting on a small throne surrounded by the mantris, officers. And then the Pandit Rai and the poet Ramdas, who has an open letter in his hand and says that the letter declared that the Shivaji is no more. And then Jijabai says that the letter is a hoax. I am not ready to believe in it. And the Jijabai says that I sure that the both lion and his cub means Shivaji and his son Sambhaji will come back soon their kingdom. And then he said to the mantris that they increase the rations of the soldiers and send the gift to his wives and the children. And she also says that they do prayer for family goddess Bhavani, and I am assured that my son will come back soon. And then after some time the three sadhu came outside of the palace, and then the attendant came and said to the Jijabai that there are three sadhu, they wanted to meet you. And then Jijabai says that I am ready to meet them. Then she went to outside. And then the first sadhu, God bless you, says that, and the second sadhu also give the blessing to the Jijabai, but the third sadhu simply joined the palm of his hand and greeting, but says nothing, keeping his eyes fixed on the ground. And then the Jijabai says that the third sadhu, if you are not ready to give me blessings, you can curse me because I can't live without my son. And the third sadhu fell on her feet, and then the Jijabai touched her face with her hand, and then the says that Shivaji, come back, and because the third sadhu actually was Shivaji. And then the Shivaji says that yes, I has come back from the den of the fox with my son. And the Shivaji says to her friend that your Raja has come back to you. We will rejoice and give a feast to the poor, fire the guns to announce that the Raja has returned to the people, and then all the people do same as they sings and dances whole night and says that long live Shivaji, long live Jijabai, long live Maharashtra. So student, let's see some important points of this chapter. So there are 7 characters in this chapter. Shivaji was a ruler of Maharashtra and Gujarat, and Jijabai, Shivaji's mother, and Soyabai, Shivaji's wife, and Sambhaji, Shivaji's son. Ramdas, Shivaji's teacher, companion, and a poet. The latter was Hawks. Meaning of the discontentment is dissatisfaction. And how many sadhus came? There are 3 sadhus came outside of the palace, and the third sadhu was actually the Shivaji. So student, let's see the revision of chapter 3, my elder brother. In chapter 3, my elder brother. The author of this chapter is Leo Tolstoy. This is the autobiography of the writer. And this chapter is the small part of this story by Hood, originally written in Russian and translated by C.J. Hawker. So this chapter is about the writer and his elder brother, Voloda. And then the writer says that starting of this chapter that Voloda himself was aware of his superiority and was proud of it. But in fact, he was better than me in everything. the Voloda, the writer's elder brother, was better than the author in everything, and the writer think that the Voloda think that he was so many big hearted and he feel proudy, but actually not. One day, as accidentally, the writer broke up empty bright colored little scent bottle of Voloda, and then the Voloda shouted that and says that the writer never dare touch my things again. And then the writer says that you please don't make any issue. That is only a thing and it's broken and there is no more to be said. And then the writer, then the Voloda jerking his shoulder, a gesture he had inherited from his father. And then the Voloda went away. And the next morning, Voloda raised his head and with a meaningful smile and looked at the writer. Their eyes met and he knew that he understood me. And then he says that forgive me to the Voloda in stammering. But the Voloda looked up to the writer and says that he could not make out at all why there were tears in my eyes, and he forgave me. And let's see the some points of this chapter. Author Leo Tolstoy, autobiography of the author, and autobiographical novel name is Boyhood, originally written in Russian and translated by C.J. Hacker. Weld means built up. Writer's elder brother name is Voloda. The narrator was jealous of his elder brother, and the narrator envied his brother's happy large-heartedness. Voloda had inherited his father's habit of jerking his shoulders. So, students, and also with this chapter, we learn that the value of the relationship, and also let's see that the narrator was jealous of his brother. Voloda was annoyed with the narrator because the narrator had broken his favorite scent bottle. So students, this video is based on the revision of chapter 4, the return of the lion, and chapter 3, my elder brother. So students, watch this video perfectly and give your test with full honesty. All the best for your test. Thank you.